Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting for tech enthusiasts, developers, and tinkerers alike, the Mecha Comet, a modular handheld Linux computer that's making waves in the open source community. If you've ever dreamed of a pocket-sized device that's as versatile as your imagination, stick around because this is one gadget you won't want to miss. Let's break down what makes the Mecha Comet so special, from its hardware and software to its endless customization possibilities. First off, let's talk about what the Mecha Comet is. At its core, it's a compact handheld Linux computer designed by Mecha Systems Incorporation, a company focused on open-source innovation and sustainability. Think of it as a modern take on the PDAs of the early 2000s, but with the power of a full-fledged Linux system in a device about the size of a smartphone. It's not just a phone or a gaming handheld. It's a modular platform built for creators, coders, and hobbyists who want a device that can adapt to their wildest ideas. Whether you're into robotics, AI, retro gaming, or even building your own DIY phone, the Mecha Comet is designed to evolve with you. Let's get into the specs. The Mecha Comet is powered by a 1.8 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex, a 53 processor, paired with 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, and 32 GB of eMMC flash storage, which is expandable via an M.2 slot for NVMe drives up to 2 TB. It features a vibrant 3.4-inch IPS LCD touchscreen with a 480x480 resolution, perfect for a compact yet clear display. You've also got a 5MP autofocus camera, a 3000 mAh replaceable battery, dual USB-A ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5. Plus, there's a gyroscope, real-time clock, and analog-to-digital converter for extra project flexibility. It's a robust setup for a device that weighs just 220 grams and measures 150 millimeters by 73.55 millimeters by 16 millimeters. What sets the Mecha Comet apart is its modularity. The device uses a magnetic snap interface with pogo pins, allowing you to swap out extensions to change its functionality. Out of the box, Mecha offers 3 standard extensions: a gamepad for retro gaming, a keyboard for productivity, and a GPIO module with 40 pins for hardware tinkering. Want to turn it into a portable gaming console? Snap on the gamepad and play emulated classics like Doom. Need a mini workstation? Attach the keyboard. Working on a robotics project? The GPIO module lets you connect sensors and devices with ease. The best part? You can design your own extensions using Mecha's open-source CAD files and community support. This modularity draws inspiration from projects like the Raspberry Pi and even the Simputer, a pioneering Linux handheld from India in the early 2000s. The Mecha Comet runs on Mechanix OS, a custom Debian-based Linux distribution that gives you access to over 60,000 software packages from the Debian repository. This means you can install everything from development tools to productivity apps to games, all optimized for a touch-friendly interface. The Mechanix shell, built in Rust with GPU rendering on Wayland, makes navigating this tiny screen smooth and intuitive. And since it's open source, you can port any Linux distro you like, or even contribute to Mechanix OS on GitHub. Developers are already buzzing about its potential, with pilot units sent to Linux kernel maintainers to refine support and functionality. Now, let's talk applications. The Mecha Comet is a tinkerer's dream. You can transform it into a DIY Linux phone by adding an LTE modem, perfect for privacy-focused users who want full control over their device. Robotics enthusiasts can use it as the brain of a robot, leveraging the GPIO pins and Raspberry Pi hat compatibility. Want to interface with your car? Add a CAN or OBD port for diagnostics. Dreaming bigger? Mecha suggests you could even send the Comet into orbit as part of a nano-satellite project for education or experimentation. Other ideas include building a drone controller, a secure AI assistant, or a software-defined radio transceiver. The possibilities are endless because the Comet is built to be whatever you need it to be. Sustainability is another big focus for Mecha Systems. The Comet is designed for repairability, with a back cover that pops off by hand and a single Allen key conveniently embedded in the device for full disassembly. The battery is replaceable, and the use of standard connectors like USB-C and pogo pins makes upgrades easy. Mecha prioritizes recycled or recyclable materials to minimize environmental impact, ensuring the Comet isn't just another disposable gadget. This commitment to longevity and open-source principles makes it a standout in a world of planned obsolescence. The Mecha Comet launched on Kickstarter in early 2025, with early bird pricing starting at just $159, a steal for a device this versatile. It's already garnered over 5,000 followers on the platform, and the buzz is real. Mecha's pre-launch page lets you sign up for updates, and they've recently announced the Comet +1 and upgraded version with a brighter, slightly larger display and improved specs, set to hit Kickstarter in Q3 2025. You can also join their Discord community to connect with other tinkerers and developers, or check out their YouTube live streams for demos of the Comet in action, like powering a small-wheeled robot at CES 2025. So, why should you care about the Mecha Comet? It's more than just a gadget, it's a platform for creativity. Whether you're a developer coding the next big app, a maker building a custom robot, or a gamer reliving retro classics, the Comet empowers you to dream big and build bigger. Its open-source ethos, modular design, and Linux backbone make it a love letter to the DIY community. Plus, at $159, it's an accessible entry point for anyone curious about Linux or hardware hacking. If you're as excited as I am, head over to mecha.so or their Kickstarter page to learn more and grab that early bird deal. Let me know in the comments what you'd build with a Mecha Comet, maybe a Star Trek-inspired tricorder or a smart home controller. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep tinkering.